Hey everyone, it's Sebastian Jimenez with the Builderall team. So in this video, we're gonna go over WhatsApp. I'm gonna show you guys how to create an account. And remember, in order to have a WhatsApp account, you must have a smartphone. You have to create the account through the smartphone. WhatsApp also has desktop and Mac apps, but you can't create your account through the computer. You have to use your smartphone because you have to be able to verify your phone number. Whenever you go and create an account, they're going to send you a text message with a code that you need to use to activate your new account. So if you're on an iPhone, you're going to go to the App Store. If you're on Android, you're going to go to the Play Store. And you can search for WhatsApp and download it. Or you can, on your phone, you can go to whatsapp.com/DL and it's going to download the app that's for your phone. And remember, you can also download the app for your computers, but you have to install it on your phone first. So once you download the app, it's going to ask you for access to your contact list. You can go ahead and click OK. It'll help you bring over the contacts that you have already on your phone. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And the next step is to accept notifications. And this is the only way that the phone can send you alerts and with sound and badges and all that stuff whenever you get new messages. All right, the next step is for you to enter your phone number with a country code, and then you're gonna get a text message to that number, and you're gonna have a 6-digit activation code that you're gonna need. All right, and next screen is gonna be to edit your profile. You can add your pictures, add your name, and if you're feeling lazy, you can use your Facebook info and it'll auto-populate, it'll automatically grab the picture and all the information for you. And that's it, that you have your WhatsApp account created. Now you can start chatting with people. I hope this video was helpful and we'll see you on the next one.